Fisher Price Laugh and Learn Servin Up Fun food truck. I have had this for about a year and a half, so it's a little bit worn down, but I wanted to do a close-up of this one because my daughter loved this toy and she still plays with it occasionally. But I think it was around it was over when she was 6 months that she started. I got this, but I don't remember the exact date or how old she was. I just know that when I put it together, she loved it. I mean, she played with this all the time, and she was crawling at that age, and she was able to sit up. Is what I can remember. But she has just loved this ever since, and she still plays with it occasionally. I did have to put it together. I remember I had to put some of the stickers on. I can't remember a whole lot, but I remember I did have to put this, I had to assemble it. But, so, this is the front, and I've put some Halloween stickers on there. And like this, goes like that. It has numbers, and then these are the little cups. The third one is missing, but when you press them,
large banana smoothie, medium strawberry smoothie, small grape smoothie.
and then it has 3 different other levels.
Level 2. Let's explore and find. Where is the medium strawberry smoothie? Large smoothie. Level 3. Let's sing and play.
And then here is the little trash compartment or recycling, and you can put stuff in there. It came with toys that fit, so like a circle and a star. I don't know where all the toys are right now because they're just everywhere or in a different box, but if you go on the other side, move this a bit, it opens, and this is where you can take the stuff out. So this is the side. You can move this. Here they had like little, I think it was like a big fork and a spatula. It came with some food toys as well. And this also.
I have the best customers. We're here. Let's get cooking. The window's open.
I put the stickers on here. It doesn't come with it.
I take the orders and pass them out. Then at the end of the day, we close and clean up. Then we drive on home in our happy food truck.
And then here, there's like these little square menu things, and you can put each of them. And I remember she loved them, but she just liked to take them out and throw them on the floor, and she still does it. And that's why they're missing right now, because I don't know where she threw it or she put it, but they're just like these really cute little small menus that go in here. And then, so when you change,
Level 1. Let's listen and learn. Order up. 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I love it when you sing with me.
Plays different
Serving
songs.
up the ABCs.
But that's about it. So these are, it has a lot of stuff that you can press and it'll make noise.
Enjoy your
You
food.
can put the little spatula and forks in there. This side doesn't really do anything, but it's just fun to play with. So yeah, that's about it. She liked these. She liked taking them out and just chewing on them. But she still goes behind it and she'll sit in here and play with toys. So she's over 2. She's 2 years and about a month old, and she still comes in here occasionally. But you know, like I said, ever since she was crawling, as I think when I got this, but she still has been playing with it, and she still loves it. So I just think this is a really good toy to get that is worth the money. And she also, sometimes she messes with this, but I do remember, I think when she was younger, she would try to crawl in and out this little hole over here, but now she doesn't. She just goes behind and sits. She finally realized how to use this. I think it was after a year. But yeah, so I just wanted to show close up, show, you know, all the sounds it makes. And I don't remember how much I paid, but I ordered it through Amazon and they sell it at Target and Walmart. But it's just, I think it's definitely worth the money. It's a really great toy, and that's it. And I'll try to do some more. I have so many toys and toys that she ended up not liking that much, that I want to record and just show some close-ups. So hopefully it'll help someone out before purchasing, whether they decide if they want to spend the money on the toy or not, and if it's worth it. But I definitely think this one is worth it. So that's it. Thanks for watching.